today I'm gonna show you this makeup look. This is Krishnastami special makeup look. So let's get started with the video. So first of all, I'm using as a primer this Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream. So take a little bit amount of that cream and apply evenly on face and neck. Next I applied compact powder. This is Maybelline Fit Me compact powder in the shade Treble 2. Okay, next I applied these eyeshadows. This is also from Maybelline. So next coming to eyebrows, I fill my eyebrows with this pencil. This is from Lakme. Next I applied this kajal from iTex. Just draw a little wing from this kajal. Just a little wing, not too much. Next I apply this kajal also for eyeliner. Next I apply these two for lips. One is lip balm. First I apply lip balm on my lips. Next I apply this lipstick from LA 18 pink color shade. So next I apply this duo stick from Maybelline. One is contour and second one is highlighter. This is contour. So I apply contour for my face cuts. So next I apply highlighter. This is the highlighter from this duo stick. Next I apply this mascara from Blue Heaven. Next I put this pearl bindi on my brows middle. That's it, my makeup look completed. So this is Krishnastami special makeup look. So this is my today makeup look, guys. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Bye.